Built for wireless at its fastest, the new V Ultra series sets a new standard for wireless performance. Multiple layouts, one powerful system, made to adapt to how you work and play. Play for months on a single charge, with up to 660 hours of battery life. 2.4 GHz is wireless, with an 8K polling rate for ultra-low latency and instant response. Inside, Silk Palm mechanical switches and a gasket mount design deliver smooth, controlled keystrokes. Full online customization, remap, and fine-tune everything right in your browser. Keychron V Ultra series. Wireless without compromise. Explore the full series at keychron.com.